Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Spoiler alert, I'm not gonna fall. This video comes in 3 parts. This is a trip we made to Charity from Lagrange. Along the way we stopped at Parika where we crossed the Essequibo River on a speedboat. The speedboat took us to Supenaam, which is on the west bank of Essequibo. From Supenaam, we hired a van to take us to Charity. On the way back, we had 2 stops. One was for a late lunch at Jagdesh Duck Curry Restaurant. We had a delicious lunch there. And the second place we stopped was at Washiba Resort at Capoey Lake, if I'm saying that correctly. It was just a sightseeing thing to do. We just stopped and rested for a while and walked around. It was nice. It was a nice lake. After visiting the lake, we went back to Supenaam where we caught a fast boat across Essequibo River back to Demerara. It was a good trip. We enjoyed it. Well, we're at Parika and we're heading to one of the boats that will take us over to Essequibo. Pretty busy place at this time of the day. There is Sister B and Cousin Roger. I'm just following. Here for the ride. There's a Popeye. Dairy Queen, Church's Chicken. All right, Transport and Harbors Department, Parika, Stelling. Whatever all that means. Hey.
Oh, Millie, we brought the last food the whole thing. So this is Derek or aka Sharky. The property that we at someone's here.
So we'll be taking one of those speedboat to get us to where we want to go, which is on the other side, Essequibo. One here.
Go the back, alright?
All right. I'm told to go to the back.
Oh, become fat.
You got my Roger. You got my seat.
You want to come here?
No,
You sure?
I'm positive. That's the part that goes down first.
Yeah. Hurry up. You're good? Yeah, yeah, it's like.
Well, that's the boat we came over from. Well, this is called Supenaam. This is where we at. We just got off the boat. It looks like we're gonna go into a shuttle here.
Yeah, she dancing.
Alright, girl. Everybody already seen it.
Yeah, she keep moving. She.
Naked lady, for whatever reason, don't know.
We went to the old bridge, girl. And like I shouldn't be get to show she would have been.
No, they have the whorehouse right where the men goes. Where do they have where the women go?
Yeah,
The
Look,
women-
Tornado, see more hard than you want, mate.
we comfortable.
No, you shut it how you want it.
Alright, no problem. Exactly.
Women doesn't have what?
Exactly. You gotta go nowhere. Where you wanna go?
If there's a place for the men,
Yes.
why can't there be a place for the women?
Your place is people who can get
The
together.
same place the men is to go.
So where are we heading now?
We say you go first by charity.
Yeah, we go to charity.
Charity first. All right, that's where we're heading.
Yeah, when you book your passage, book it straight to their phone. Yeah, it says 7 straight. It says 8 hours of driving for somebody to pick you up.
Yeah,
4 hours
yeah.
there.